So good morning students. Today topic is the senior zoology topic. Describe the internal structure of kidney of man. So generally in our body part kidneys. Some now I am explained to the 5 minutes. That is the introduction. So introduction. That is the kidneys are main role in our body part. That is the excretion and osmoregulation. So what is the excretion? So separation and elimination of waste material from the body of the outside is called excretion, and also maintain the osmoregulation. Maintenance of the our body part water and ionic balance, that is the maintenance is called that is osmoregulation. The kidneys are main role in our body part. That is the kidneys are main role in our body part excretion and osmoregulation parts. So the study of the here some introduction topic here. The study of the kidney structure, anatomy and physiology is called nephrology. Nephrology are there. The study of the kidney structure, physiology, structure means anatomy, physiology, pathology. Pathology is called nephrology. And male and female body, the kidney structure and only male reproductive tract, the study is called urology. The study of the called urology are there. So now here some topics are there in kidney topics are there. So one pair of kidneys. So in human being body part, in human being body. So in human being body, one pair. So one pair of kidney. So one pair of kidney is located. One pair of kidney is located on either side of last to thoracic vertebra, and third lumbar vertebra, and laterally protected by by 11th and 12th ribs. Laterally protected by 11th and 12th ribs. And human being kidneys are retroperitoneal organs. It is attached to the abdominal body wall by peritoneum layer. It is attached to abdominal wall by a peritoneum layer. Peritoneum layer is called retroperitoneal organs. Retroperitoneal organs. So once again, in human being body, one pair of kidney is located on either side of last thoracic vertebra and third lumbar vertebra, laterally protected by 11th and 12th ribs. It is attached to the abdominal wall by peritoneum layer, is called retroperitoneal organs. So in right kidney slightly lower from left one. Why it is present? So why it is present? Right side is the liver is occupy the major place. So hence the two kidneys are not symmetrical position. So the two kidneys are not symmetrical position. Right kidney. So right kidney is slightly lower than left two. So lower than left two. Why it is present in right side is occupied by the liver, and sir kidney is the slightly lower than or slightly lower than. So this each kidney shape, the kidney is a bean shaped are there. Bean shape. The kidney shape is how it is are there. Bean shape. Reddish brown color. Reddish brown color. Bean shaped are there. So convex and concave shape are there. Each kidney how it is the shape are there. So outer part is the length of kidney. So each kidney 10 to 12 centimeter in length. 10 to 12 centimeter in length are there. So 2 to 4 centimeter the width are there. 2 to 4 centimeter. So 120 to 150 that is the weight. 120 to 150 the kidney weight are there. Outer part of kidney convex. Inner part is concave. Inner part is called concave. In concave middle area, a small notch is located. A small notch is located. So it allows to the blood vessels. Nerve and lymphatic vessels and exit blood vessels and ureter. Blood vessels and ureter. So generally this is the kidney outline structure. Now I am explaining to the diagram. With the diagrammatically the kidney explain are there. So all of you can practice the diagram. The diagram is very important. The kidney outer part is the kidney part here. Outer part is called convex. Inner part is a concave shape is present too. It is dense regular, dense irregular sheath is present. Dense regular, dense irregular, dense regular, and dense irregular connective tissue sheath is present or there. Connective sheath is present or there. Outer part is called cortex are there. Kidney outer part is called cortex. Inner part is called medulla is there. Inner part is called medulla part are there. So cortex is a light reddish color. Inner part is a dark reddish color are there. In kidney part here. So in cortex and medulla part, a cone-like structures are present. The cone-like structures is present are there. That is called renal pyramids are there. So cone-like structures are present. That is called renal pyramids. These cone-like structures are renal pyramids are there. Renal pyramids. These are called renal pyramids. renal pyramids. Once again, so the kidney outer part is called convex, inner part is called medulla, inner part is called medulla. In the kidney internal structure part, in cortex, peripheral part is cortex, inner part is called medulla, inner part is called medulla. So in cortex and medulla part, that is a pyramid, that is a pyramid-like structures are located. That is called renal pyramids. Renal pyramids are there. Anterior part renal pyramid, it is the base, and posterior part, the posterior part of the renal pyramid is a cone-like structure are there. In this cone-like structure, this is a cone-like part. So the cone-like part is called renal papillae. The structure is called renal papillae. Renal papillae are there. Renal papillae. And small projections is located. When it is the small projections are there, this is the small project. So one renal pyramid, another renal pyramid connected to extension to the columns of Bettini are there. So here minor calyx are there. This is a for some renal pyramids unite to form it open into the minor calyx. These are called minor calyx. And many minor calyx form to the major calyx are there. These are called here many minor calyx form to the major calyx are there. The major calyx open into the here, that is open into the pelvis. Major calyx open into the pelvis are there. So here one blood vessel are there. That is the renal artery are there. So renal artery, one blood vessel, it is collected to the blood into kidney part. Another blood vessel exit outside. That is called renal vein. That is a renal vein are there. Renal vein. So these blood vessels are connected are there. Renal artery. This is a renal artery. It is collected the blood into kidney, inside the kidney in blood filtration purpose. After filtration, the blood collected from the veins, it is exit outside. That is called renal vein. This is called renal vein exit outside. It is connected to the inferior vena cava. Collected the blood into heart are there. So minor calyx, many minor calyx unite to form. It open outside too. That is called ureters. That is open outside. So pelvis open. The minor calyx open. Major calyx to elimination outside. It is open outside into the ureter. Ureter is connected to the urinary bladder. The ureter, it is collected after excretory material. After filtration, the excretory material collected from the pelvis to ureter are there. The ureter, it is connected to urinary bladder. So once again, I will explain to the one by one. So in human being, one pair of kidney. In human being body part, one pair of kidney. It is located on either side of the vertebral column, last thoracic vertebra and third lumbar vertebra, and laterally protected by the 11th and 12th ribs. This is the very important MCET need point of view. That is the last thoracic vertebra, third lumbar vertebra, and 11th, 12th ribs laterally protected are there. It is attached to the abdominal wall, body wall by peritoneum layer, is called retroperitoneal organs. So right kidney is slightly lower than left one. Kidney is a bean-shaped structure, reddish brown color. Each kidney size the 10 to 12 centimeter length, 2 to 4 centimeter width, and 120 to 150. Nearby the 170 weight is there. Outer part kidney is a convex are there. Outer part kidney is a convex shape are there. Outer part kidney is a convex shape. Inner part is a concave shape are there. Where the concave shape is there, here small, here notch like are there. So here This is outer part here, convex here, concave shape are there. Convex here, concave. Here small notch is located. This is called hilum. This is called hilum or hilus. Hilum or hilus are present too. Blood vessels, nerve vessels, lymph vessel, entry into the kidney and exit outside are there. The peripheral part is called, that is the peripheral part, the kidney longitudinal section, LS of vertical section of the kidney, that is the longitudinal section of the human being kidney, longitudinal section of human being kidney are there. So when you observe the longitudinal section kidney, the peripheral part too, cortex are there, cortex, inner part, medulla are there. In medulla and cortex region, many pyramids are located. So that is called triangular like structures are located, that is called renal pyramids. Are there. Each and every renal pyramid, anterior part, that is the base, and posterior part, cone like structure. The cone like structure is called renal papillae are there. Each and every renal pyramid is connected to each and every renal pyramid is connected by the extension of the cortex, that is called columns of Bethany are there. And in each pyramid part here nephrons are present. Each pyramid part nephrons, these are called nephrons. The nephrons are present, some part in cortex, some part in medulla part. The main role, that is the kidneys in main role, that is the nephrons. It is a structural functional unit of kidney. These are called nephrons. Nephrons, some part is present in cortex area, some part is present in medulla area are there. So the renal pyramids is covered by the renal pyramid itself. The renal pyramid is covered by the nephrons are there. It is a structural and functional unit of kidney. The blood filtration takes place inside the nephrons part. So posterior part of the nephron is called renal papillae. So renal papillae, it is connected to the minor calyx. Many minor calyx open into the major calyx. Major calyx open into the pelvis. So pelvis exit outside, that is called ureter. The ureter, it is connected to the urinary bladder. The ureter is connected to the urinary bladder are there. So that is connected to the urinary bladder are there. In this urinary bladder part, the urine material storage are there. So this structure again totally can explanation into the upcoming topic, that is the internal structure of the nephron parts. Okay, this is the longitudinal section of the human being kidney. Sometimes ask the question only diagram and labeling, and sometimes you can explain with diagram and matter. So based on the diagram you can write the one para or two paragraph matter on it. Okay, thank you.